Satra St. Louis, the visionary founder of Kraf-T by Satra, a business that brings St. Lucia's vibrant culture to life through creative craft kits, games, and activity booklets. With a background in hospitality, finance, and digital solutions, Satra is redefining how we celebrate creativity, culture, and community impact. In her exclusive video, Satra shares why the Alumni Entrepreneur Panel at GEW is a must-attend event.
Hello everyone, my name is Satra and I am the proud owner and creative director of Kraf-T by Satra. I am thrilled to be taking part in the Alumni Entrepreneur discussion being hosted by SLUDTERA on the 19th of November 2024, and that is under the Global Entrepreneurship Week. When I first started my business, Kraf-T by Satra, it was just a small business, and it was born out of the idea, that crafting can help with my anxiety and also my love for St. Lucia and DIY project. Now my business has grown into something truly special and I would love to share that journey with everyone. I look forward to talking about the challenges that I've faced and how I overcame them, especially as a single mother who is working a full-time job. Being an entrepreneur is very challenging, but I love it because it has taught me so much, especially resilience and how important it is to stay true to myself. I hope that in sharing my story, it will inspire someone. If you would like to start your own business, my advice to you, be patient and slow and steady wins the race. Sometimes you will find that things don't happen as quickly as you expect them to. However, I promise you, out of experience, my own experience, that if you keep taking tiny steps, baby steps towards your goals, eventually, with consistency, you will smash those goals. I promise you. I look forward to sharing more with you on the day of the event. I look forward to connecting with everyone. Thank you so much to SLUDTERA for this beautiful opportunity. Thank you, everyone. Bye.